Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak, and in this video, we will not be taking any live trades. I'm here with a challenge, and I would like to nominate myself and my fellow members who are failing to be a profitable trader in binary trading. The challenge is very simple. It goes for 21 days, and we will be using demo currency instead of real currency. And the reason for that is to avoid losses while you learn this strategy. It is very important for us to build some rules around trading because without rules, we cannot be a profitable trader. So I have set 4 rules for myself, which is rule number one, maximum of 10 trades a day. We will not be exceeding more than 10 trades on a particular day. Rule number two is that as soon as we incur two back-to-back losses, we are going to exit the market for that particular day. And our rule number three is we are going to use 3% of capital for each trade. For example, let's say your capital is $100, you would be using 3% of that, which is $3 for each trade. And our last and final rule, we are going to select markets with 85% or above on return on investment or payouts. Okay, so these are the rules. And what is our goal here? Our goal is to achieve 70% of win rate ratio or above. Okay, 70% or above is ideal. Okay, and how are we going to calculate this win rate ratio? Total wins divided by total trades into 100 will be your win rate. So I've given an example here. You can see week 1 we take a total trades of 40. Okay, we take total trades of 40 trades, and in that we make a total win of 30 trades. Okay, and our total loss is 10. So what do we do? How do we calculate? We take total wins, which is 30, divided by total trades 40 into 100, so that is 75%. So your win rate ratio will be 75%, and we are good to go. So we're going to do this for 3 weeks. So this was the first week, and we're going to try to maintain this for at least minimum of 2 weeks in a 3-week challenge to ensure that we are developing the skills that is needed to be a profitable trader. So that is it for today's video, guys. I'm looking forward for your participation. It's not going to cost you anything. It's free of cost, and in return you're only going to learn and become a wise trader. Thank you all for being around. I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.